The 2020-2021 Kia Telluride uses an advanced oil life monitoring system, unlike simple mileage counters. This system calculates oil degradation based on factors like engine temperature and driving conditions. The service maintenance light appears when oil life is low, typically around 10 to 15%. Resetting this light after an oil change is crucial to recalibrate the system for accurate future alerts and to maintain your vehicle's warranty. Skipping the reset or doing it without an oil change can lead to engine damage due to inaccurate oil life estimations. There are two primary methods to reset the oil life on your 2020-2021 Kia Telluride. The first is via the touchscreen, and the second is using the Kia Access app if your vehicle is equipped with Kia Connect. For the touchscreen method, ensure your vehicle is in ACC or on mode with the engine off. Navigate through the infotainment system to Settings, then Vehicle, then Service Interval. Select Oil Change or Reset and confirm your selection. Finally, cycle the ignition off and then on for the changes to take effect. For the Kia Access app method, if your Telluride has Kia Connect, use the app on your smartphone. The app may prompt you to verify recent service. Remember to choose whichever method is convenient, but only reset after a legitimate oil change.